Whoever lost 15 pounds in just 10 days, stick around. Junkies, welcome back to the trap where we getting this weight off. It's day 13. And yes, I am now under the 15-pound weight loss mark. I weighed in today just under 245 pounds. So I'm a little over the 15-pound weight loss mark at this point in the journey. If you've been watching, if you don't know, my name is Brandon Berry, also known as the Plant-Based Junkie, and this is my fasting journey, day 13. I feel great, just taking my steps, my daily steps, nothing too extreme today. Yesterday, the Bills played, and we were victorious. We got the W, so today is Victory Monday, and I'm just hanging out, chilling. But I just want to come on, and share some insight with you guys on this fasting journey and let you know how my day 12 went yesterday. So I ended up breaking my fast around the 41-hour mark, and I broke my fast yesterday because I wanted to watch the game with friends and enjoy it. And, I didn't want to have any major restrictions. I wanted to be able to eat and not have to worry about anything as far as fasting. I did control myself as far as drinking. I just kept it strictly to eating, and that was it. So my choice of food that I chose to break this fast with was pizza and wings. In Buffalo, New York, pizza and wings is a big thing. We have some of the best pizza and wings in the world, as I mentioned in my previous video. And I can't believe that I had put one slice of pizza on my plate and like 5 wings. I ate like half of the slice and 3 wings, and I was so full. Like, it was crazy. I could not believe how full I felt. Like, I could not, the food was good, and it was definitely not the healthiest choice, but that's just, I was enjoying myself, no restrictions, and I said I'm gonna eat one slice of pizza and a handful of wings, and I got through half of the slice of pizza, and I ate like 3 wings, and I was so full I could not even eat the rest of my food. I wanted to eat the rest of my food because it was delicious. It tastes so good. And if you know, we got the pizza and wings from Lenova, which is like a famous place in Buffalo for pizza and wings. And the food was so delicious. So I was trying to finish the food, but I just literally could not. And I mentioned in my previous video as well, I'm a fat kid at heart. And I don't know if you know, but growing up, I grew up in a house with 6 siblings. So, when my parents would cook dinner, and we sat at the table, you couldn't not leave that table unless your plate was finished. Now, think about what I just said. When we sat at the table for dinner as kids, we were not allowed to leave the table until our food was finished. So, think about what that does to you over time as an adult. What does that do to your mindset? How does that affect you as far as your relationship with food? I think that's something to be looked at, because the longer I think about it, I'm I was trying to force myself almost to finish this slice of pizza and these wings, although I was I felt so full, and I couldn't believe it because I couldn't even finish a slice of pizza. Normally I would be able to eat a couple of slices of pizza and eat 10 wings with no problem in way shorter time. So I got through half of the food, and
he's a good boy.
Hey, how you doing? So I got through half of my food, and what I noticed was that I couldn't continue. So I said, okay, I'm gonna sit here for a minute and see how long it's going to take me and see if I can finish it later. It took me 5 hours to finish one slice of pizza and 5 wings. It was crazy. So during this fast right here, I broke my fast around 41 hours, right? And I ate a slice of pizza and 5 wings. Although technically I ate half of it, and I ate the other half on the back end of that 5 hours. So let's just say, because typically when I break my fast, I'll eat and then repeat. So I'll break my fast, eat, and then go right back into another fast. But this time, I broke my fast, and I technically fasted, I guess you can say, for about 4 hours, because I just drank water for like the next 4 hours or so. And, around that 5 hour mark, I ate the rest of my food. So let's just say my eating window was 5 hours instead of just eating, breaking the fast, and then going right back into another fast. Let's just say I had an eating window of 5 hours, and let's consider that as 2 meals. So that's what I ate. And I got on the scale today, and to my surprise, the scale is lower than it was yesterday on day 12, after eating a slice of pizza and 5 wings. And that's with blue cheese, all of that. So, and I drank water. I don't drink my calories, so I don't have any sodas, unless it's like a Diet Coke. Like I'll get a Diet Coke once in a while because I like Diet Coke. And as I explained previously, that's a hack to keep you going if you are a few days into your fast or whatever, and you want to switch up the flavor and you want something to help you to continue to fast, to keep going. Because the whole part of this is, making progress, just staying consistent, just being disciplined, staying consistent. And I want to show you guys that you do not have to have like all of these crazy restrictions and things like that. Like you can eat, like you don't have to count, like I didn't count calories yesterday. Pizza and wings is not by any means healthy, but it's delicious. And that's what we eat here in Buffalo, New York. We grew up, Bills games, that's like a thing, So that's what I decided to do yesterday. And lo and behold, I still was able to drop weight on the scale. Let's go. I can't believe it. Well, honestly, I can. Because, it's just a process. And you just have to have patience. I cannot stress this enough. You have to have patience. Because, I didn't know what to expect, honestly. I thought that I would maybe hit a wall, after doing that. But, once I got done, even though it took me 5 hours to eat one slice of pizza and 5 wings, I was still able to shut it off right after that, go right back into a fast. No snacks, no sugary drinks, no none of that, just straight water. And here I am into my current fast right now from yesterday. And as I weigh myself today, I'm under the 245 pound mark. So it's working. I'm showing you guys, and you can see it. I'm showing you. So every single day we're gonna keep documenting. We're gonna see what works and what doesn't. Another thing too. This is really huge, actually. So I ate the pizza and wings, and like I ate half that slice and those 3 wings, and I felt so full and like heavy, and I could feel myself, like I felt a little, like I felt sluggish. I didn't feel as energetic as I felt before I ate that, which is also really important because food is fuel. It's supposed to fuel you. You know, it's supposed to give you energy, not take your energy away. So I noticed that, and just having that feeling made me realize that that wasn't the best choice of food, which we all know, right? So I'm just testing things out here, and I'm seeing how I feel when I eat certain things, and I'm just trying to gauge how, like, the weight fluctuates with the scale compared to what I eat, how long I'm fasting, so on and so forth. And you know, we just gonna keep documenting because I want to give you guys real insight on how this is done, because with weight loss, it's not as difficult as people make it seem, and anybody can do this. Literally anybody can do this. You know, you just have to, if you want to do it, know why you're doing it, because it's going to challenge you. You're going to have tough times, but it's not difficult, you know. And the more you do it, the more reps you get in, the easier it becomes. Just like going to the gym, working out, just like anything in life, the more you do it, the better you get. So don't give up. It's day 13, and we're gonna keep going strong. And I hope that you guys are doing well on your fasting journey. If you guys got any tips and pointers to share, or you want to share an update how your journey is going, comment down below, and stay tuned. We'll be back for day 14 tomorrow and see what we weigh. Currently, right now, at this current fast, I was thinking about doing another 48-hour fast. Well, actually, as of right now, I have it set to, I think, to fast for the next 72 or 96 hours. But I'll see how I feel once we get there. So that's the plan. I plan not to break my fast until Thursday, possibly. So, yeah, and I'll show you what that looks like. I'll show you what it looks like when I break my fast. I'll show you guys what I'm eating, how much I'm eating, you know, because I want you guys to be able to lose this weight, and I want you guys to be able to do this as well, because trust me, I'm nobody special. I'm not taking any medications to lose weight or nothing like that. Like, this is just straight, real, authentic, you know, all natural, no supplements, none of that, you know. And we doing the weight, we moving the weight, and we feeling great, you know. So thanks for tuning in, and it's day 13. Keep going strong. Let's go, Buffalo. See you guys.